Die cutting is a simple but powerful process that helps you streamline production, reduce waste, and improve part consistency. In this video, we're going to talk about what die cutting is and how it can reduce your manufacturing expenses in 5 powerful ways. Die cutting is a manufacturing process where you're cutting materials using a precision-made tool with different shapes or features on it to cut the parts as your delivered spec. Die cutting can be used to cut a wide range of materials, but most commonly that comes down to a foam, a film, or a paper. Die cutting is also used across a wide range of industries like aerospace, defense, medical, electronics, and automotive. Depending on the material or project requirements, manufacturers might use a flatbed cutting process if the parts need to be sheeted or if the material is thicker and harder to deal with. On the other hand, rotary die cutting might be preferred if you need parts in a higher quantity or you want them to be finished kiss cut or onto a rolled liner. And lastly, you can use laser cutting as a non-traditional tool-free alternative to achieve similar results. There are 5 main ways that die cutting can help reduce the overall cost in manufacturing. First, it accelerates the assembly process by delivering consistent parts that can be easily applied, particularly with added features such as a pull tab or perforated liners. This reduces manual labor and helps speed up production. These parts can also be designed and built to work with automation no matter what your system is, which will further speed up assembly and production. Second, it improves part quality by standardizing the production process, by creating consistent, repeatable parts that meet your tolerances. All this helps reduce the time you might spend reworking your part or going through quality issues that you might find on your parts. Third, die cutting helps you combine multiple manufacturing steps in one process, enabling one-pass productions. This not only improves consistency like we mentioned earlier, but it also helps prevent the part from being exposed to any contamination, as well as help decrease the amount of human involvement in the manufacturing process. All of these things ultimately decrease the amount of variation you're going to see in your parts and increase your quality that you can expect. Also, when you combine multiple steps, you can save yourself more money with these one-pass productions. Fourth, die cutting helps reduce material waste because the design of your part is optimized for each production run, making better use of raw materials than manual or inconsistent cutting methods. Finally, die cutting supports scalability. Once a design is finalized, it can be produced in large volumes using automated equipment, without any proportional increase in your labor costs. This makes it an ideal solution for companies that are preparing to grow or streamline their process. In die cutting, no 2 projects are alike, so the pricing follows the same suit. So to get you your pricing for your die cutting project, you'll need to share technical information about your part, including its use, application, and design specifications. This allows a converter to accurately understand what you need and deliver a quote that's tailored to your process. Because every job is unique, factors such as complexity, material selection, and volume are all factors that are going to go into your price. If you want to learn more about die cutting and converting, you can check out our Learning Center where we have more videos and articles on these topics. Thanks for watching.